Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original back with another one for y'all, man. Now check this out today on my channel. We going over cryptocurrency. I got a very important announcement to make. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now, I'm getting back into cryptocurrency. I'm getting back in my cryptocurrency bag after I learned some valuable information today. I spent all morning researching this platform I'm about to show and reveal to y'all. And I believe it's a game changer. I truly believe it's going to bring back excitement to cryptocurrency, because the last time cryptocurrency to me was exciting, where everybody, where a large amount of people was, engaging in cryptocurrency, was 2017. And this was the lending platform era. It was also during the second halving when Bitcoin shot to 20,000. That time period, if you was in Bitcoin or cryptocurrency during that time, you would know, that time was exciting, and there was a lot of talk. It was a lot of energy in cryptocurrency. Everybody, from the common person was talking about Bitcoin, and on a deeper level, you understood that the lending platforms, were fueling Bitcoin's price in the background. Now, this platform is going to bring a lot of excitement once people fully understand what it is. Now, the platform I'm referring to is called LBRY. Now, I'm going to make plenty of videos about this. This video is really just an introduction. I'm not sure what I'm going to title this video, but like I said, I was doing a lot of research on this platform this morning, and I got exposed to it from a guy that I followed back in the lending platform days that, had very accurate, predictions on how the market was moving and how things were going to change and shift. And his name was Sean Waiters. And I came across this video today where he was talking about LBRY Coin and how this is a platform, that utilizes cryptocurrency. See, the thing about cryptocurrency, which always kind of turned me off, is that I just saw it as like digital, non-tangible assets, something that was just on the internet, something that, you can't really convert back to dollars, or something that doesn't have a use. And in 2017, when the lending platforms came out, that gave cryptocurrency a function, a use, a purpose. And that's why the price of, like things like BitConnect, even though, we know what happened with BitConnect, the things like that, like that's what made the price go so crazy. We created that. We created that volume. We created that moment and sensation because we had a platform to channel, our drive and our passion for cryptocurrency. We had a platform that we believed in, and the platform that we believed in, we made that platform, but it wasn't meant for us. It was an exchange, that was a Ponzi. But this LBRY is something completely different. And that's what I want to share with y'all, man. Like I said, I'm making plenty of videos about this this digital marketplace, but LBRY is the cryptocurrency platform for YouTubers, for content creators, anybody creating videos that feel suppressed and feel like their voice, is limited. This is a decentralized platform that monetizes its creators, that, rewards you for engaging, and pays pretty good, if you ask me, compared to how YouTube pays. And they have a lot of incentives and awards and rewards for you to join this platform. And I just want to go over it. But before we move further, let's just watch this video today. And this is basically the introduction video to LBRY. So we about to watch this video together, and I'm going to show y'all what LBRY is all about. So publish anything, share anything, man. Your voice will not be suppressed on this platform, man. LBRY is the truth. Let's go. Community control. Content freedom, that's what I'm talking about. LBRY, man. So this platform utilizes what's called LBRY Credits, and you can find this coin, you can find this cryptocurrency on CoinMarketCap. Everybody know in this space, CoinMarketCap is the place to go when you want to see the rank and the performance of different altcoins and, you know, Bitcoin and things like that. You can go to CoinMarketCap and check the performance, but you can see right now this coin is listed at 5 cents. Very undervalued, very undervalued. The high on this coin was at 250. So I'm making this, like, even if you didn't want to become a content creator, you can still invest in LBRY Credits and hold them, you know. But the thing about LBRY Credits, which I like, is that it's associated to a platform, which you need the coin to engage with people to, you're rewarded. The coin is made as a utility. It's necessary for the platform to work. Like, you need the coin. And that's the thing about how the lending platforms work. It was like you needed the coin to exchange to, you know, get in the platform. And that's what I see happening from this digital marketplace. It's similar to YouTube. It's similar, you know, to any video marketing platform. You know, LBRY pays you in LBRY credits for engaging, for, you know, being a YouTube partner. Now, this is crazy. Like, I learned this, immediately signed up. You know, you can claim your channel. And the thing about this, based on my research, anytime you upload a video, it automatically syncs to LBRY's website, to your profile on LBRY. And the thing about LBRY is you receive 1 to 5 LBC per view, and that's between 5 cents and 26 cents from verified accounts. Anybody that creates an account on here has to verify the email before rewards can be given. But you get rewards just for coming on the platform. As you can see, you know, you get rewards for, they go watch this video, go do this, go do that, you know, and you get rewards for interacting with the platform. You can see already I got 7 LBC. I can claim 500 right now just for being a YouTube partner. Let's see how that works. As you can see, you see my available balance now is 507. So I guess it's just my internet just maybe moving a little slow. But I already got 500 credits already. But you can sync your YouTube channel and basically, hold on. A lot of my screens went out. Excuse my technical difficulties in this video. But you can see your current YouTube subscriber count guarantees you a certain amount of LBC tokens per year. So you see I'm around here. So I got 20,000. So I get $300 just for being active on this platform per year. And the thing about this, the thing was going on with this LBRY coin, which I want to just put an emphasis on, is that we're going through the 3rd Bitcoin halving, right? Bitcoin, once people find out about this platform, LBRY, and more content creators from YouTube sync their content on here and they become, you know, affiliates. That's the thing. Like, we made them lending platforms hot. We made them big just by making YouTube videos and telling, you know, other people and spreading the word. So when once people get the word about LBRY, like I said, this is only my first video. This is really an introduction video, you know. But as I learn more about it, as I, you know, get my videos on here and get my views, I will come back with further updates to let y'all know how this platform works. But this is a great opportunity because, you know, I can see LBRY Credits going up past $2.50, you know, just in the next year, from now. You know, I can see, just with the growth, I can see this platform, LBRY Credits, going over $2.50. So at 5 cents, the amount of coins, even if you invested $100 right now, you would get 2,000 credits, you know. And if it goes, you know, over $2, you know, that's $5,000. Like, come on, man. So yeah, that's my take on LBRY so far. This is an open source platform similar to YouTube. You get paid out in cryptocurrency. You know, you can automatically sync your YouTube channel. And the thing about that, when you sync your YouTube channel, it automatically, any video you upload, it automatically publishes it on your LBRY account. So you can see right now, like, you get rewards just for everything, and it's open source. Every transaction is counted. And from my videos that I watch, a lot of people are running this on autopilot. Like, once they, you know, once they upload videos, they engage with the platform, you know, collect daily rewards, and the platform grows. The coin gets more valuable, because I watch videos and they saying this coin is extremely undervalued, and it got up to $2.50, you know, in the last haven when it went crazy. And the next time Bitcoin goes crazy, it's going to move fast, and it's already showing that it can gain traction without, you know, Bitcoin influence. So, you know, and a lot of coins on the market cap are influenced by how Bitcoin moves. So, you know, even when Bitcoin goes to 100,000 per coin, 60,000 per coin, you know, LBRY Credits, they're gonna be worth so much. And if it gets anything like Steam, and that's the video I want to make, because that's what this reminds me of, like Steam. Steam got, what was the highest Steam got to? The highest Steam got to was $8.50. You know, right now it's 16 cents. If it went back to $8 and you know 50 cents, people would go crazy. You know how much profit would be made. But yeah, so that's my video. I'm gonna make more videos about this platform. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. I'm out. Peace.